Friends and countrymen, the decision of the special court today to acquit all the accused in Babri Masjid demolition case runs counter to the Supreme Court judgment as also the constitutional spirit. Supreme Court in its judgment dated 9th November 2019, pronounced by a 5 judges bench, clearly held the demolition of Babri Masjid as an illegality and, I quote, egregious violation of the rule of law, unquote. But the special court exonerated all the accused. It is clear that the decision of the special court runs counter to the decision of the Supreme Court of India. Entire country witnessed a deep-rooted political conspiracy by BJP, RSS and its leaders to destroy the country's communal amity and brotherhood for usurping power at any cost. The then BJP government of Uttar Pradesh was a co-conspirator in the designed attack on India's constitutional ethos. So much so that Supreme Court was misled by filing a wrong affidavit on oath by the then Uttar Pradesh government of BJP. It is only after a detailed examination of all aspects, the facts and the evidence that Supreme Court held the demolition of Masjid to be, and I quote again, an egregious violation of the rule of law, unquote. Every Indian who has innate faith in the Constitution, as also in the spirit of communal amity and brotherhood, expects and urges the central and state governments to file an appeal against the decision of the special court founded in error and follow the letter of the law and the Constitution without any partiality or any premeditated prejudice. This is the true calling of the rule of law and our Constitution. And I also take this opportunity to read out to you and to our countrymen and women a few lines of the Supreme Court judgment. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पैरा 788 में साफ तौर से कहा, और मैं आपको ये पढ़कर बता रहा हूं रोमन 17 में, on 6th December, and I quote, on 6th December 1992, the structure of the mosque was brought down and the mosque was destroyed. The destruction of the mosque took place in breach of the order of status quo and an assurance given to the court. The destruction of the mosque and the obliteration of the Islamic structure was an egregious violation of the rule of law, full stop, unquote. Again in para 800, the Supreme Court 5 judges bench said, and I quote, the Constitution postulates the equality of all faiths, tolerance and mutual coexistence, nourish the secular commitment of our nation and its people, unquote. Still, the special court found no one guilty. And that's why we have made the statement that we have. Thank you.